Si Kim Chu ang unang kumalas kay Sian Lim, pag-usapan natin yan. Pero bago ang lahat, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel ay huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe para lagi kang updated sa latest chika. Isang panayam kay Sian Lim, nilinaw niya na hindi totoo ang chikang pinagluto muna niya ng kanyang favorite steak si Kim Chu bago siya nakapaghiwalay dito. Dagdag pa niya, sa breakup nila ng ex, clean arrow rin niya na hindi siya ang unang nakapag-break sa Chanita Princess. Ibig sabihin ang It's Showtime host ang unang gumawa ng move na kumalas sa kanya. There's no truth to it. It's absurd. I don't see where it's coming from. Is it because people are using us for entertainment? I cannot orchestrate that. I wasn't the one who initiated the breakup. All this fake news, all this dagdag bawas, are just too much already, aniya. Say pa niya, wala rin daw katotohanan ang napabalitang tinawagan niya ang aktres para sabihan itong pwede na nitong ayanunsyo na nag-break na sila. What's true is that I called Kim. We parted ways then nung mga panahon na yon, may mga lumalabas na bali-balita. Eto na po yung nakakatanggap nanay ko ng threats. If I may give an example, there was an instance na may sinabi sila na parang sana mamatay na daw yung lola ko. They even brought up her cancer. And this is from a supporter that turned into a family that we know, bulalas niya. It has gotten way out of hand doon sa 2 weeks after breakup. So I had to give her a call. This was around November. I was actually begging Kim that we should release a statement that we have gone on our separate ways, on good terms, walang sigawan. Of course, may iyakan like normal human beings but walang masamang tinapay, walang masamang anything, but it was getting out of hand. I asked her to and I actually was begging for both of us to release a statement but during that call, she declined, she said in time. I guess that in time, was December before Christmas. Hindi ko alam kung bakit yon ang na-decide nila and why nila ako pinagbigyan but I was glad we got to release both statements. Again, wala naman pong masamang tinapay, pilit lang po kaming pinag-aaway ng, I guess, kung sino man, nugtong niya. Aniya, nagsalita raw siya sa isyo dahil masyado raw siyang nade-drug sa isyo gayong may pinanghahawakan daw naman siyang katotohanan. Yun lang po yung pinanghahawakan ko, the truth, these are the things that happen. I wouldn't say it's liberating but I think people deserve to know the truth. Parang I just wanna work. I've worked really hard to get where I am today. 15 years is no joke so I don't wanna be defined or maalala ako ng mga tao dahil lang dito sa breakup, because of the negative things, and the made-up things people are saying. No, I work hard. I wanna be remembered for the projects that I do and for living truthfully, ani Sian. Bukas naman ang pitik na ito sa panig ni Kim Chu sa bersyon niya sa isyu ng hiwalayan nila ni Sian. Anong masasabi nyo sa ating chismis ngayon? Mag-comment na at subscribe para updated ka sa latest chika na gaya nito. Maraming salamat po.